Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, MOTOROLA Moto G32, and now I can show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin. To do it, firstly, you need to find the photo you wanna delete and remove it. Go trash, move to trash, cool. And now if you wanna recover it, you have only 30 days if you have enabled the Google Backup. And if you have not enabled the Google Backup, you have 60 days to recover. So you have 60 days if you have enabled Google Backup, and you have 30 days if you have not enabled Google Backup. As you can see, I have enabled the Google Backup complete, account storage. I have free account storage, so backup is working. So I have 60 days to recover the deleted photo. So if you want to recover it, click library, find trash here, find photo in the trash you want to recover, and click restore, go back, and as you can see, this photo was successfully restored. Of course, if you will remove photo, maybe from here, and you will try to restore it. Of course, this photo will be restored and moved to the place when you have found it and from where you have removed it. So this photo was restored to here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.